big jolt to the travel community after news of popular Instagrammer Anvi Kamdar's death. Anvi Kamdar's death has come to fore. In fact, she was quite a popular, beloved Instagrammer who would put out great content on travel, tourism, luxury. In fact, unfortunately, while she was at the Kumbhe waterfalls in Maharashtra's Raigad just yesterday, she was trying to shoot her travel content. She slipped and fell into 300 feet deep gorge. We see that the rescue teams took about 6 hours to pull her out as it was really difficult terrain. They brought her up through ropes and a stretcher. It's been a mission that they finally completed with her being brought out alive. But while she was rushed to the hospital, we hear she succumbed to her injuries. A big message there, certainly. Let's listen in.
Anvi Kamdar, an Instagram star, loses her life while shooting a reel. The 27-year-old Mumbai-based influencer fell into a 300 feet deep gorge near the Kumbhe waterfalls in Raigad. She was with her friends shooting the reel when she slipped. While a rescue team managed to get Anvi out of the gorge, she could not survive the injuries.
ही लोक कुंभे धबधबा जो आहे त्याच्या व्ह्यू पॉइंटला गेली होती चालत चालत. खरं तर नवीन ही लोक आहेत, त्यांना पूर्ण परिसराची माहिती नाही आणि अतिशय अरुंद वाटेने चालत असताना फोटो काढण्याच्या नादामध्ये मागे असलेली त्याच्यातली एक 27 वर्षीय तरुणी जी आहे ही पाय घसरून खोल दरीमध्ये पडली होती.
The social media star had more than 2.5 lakh followers on Instagram. Anvi, a chartered accountant, blogged about travel and fashion. Her Instagram bio describes her as a travel detective, discovering luxury finds, cafes, itineraries, tips and vibes.
As there are no zones or gates here.
Anvi's last post was 2 days ago. She had shared the suggestions for places to visit during the long weekend. As the news of her death was confirmed, netizens filled the comment section with condolences. Bureau Report, India Today.
Right, let me cut across to Mustafa Sheikh, joining us live for more on that. Mustafa, big condolences going out to the family of Anvi Kamdar. It's really tragic, but what we know here is that she, with her friends, went up to the Kumbhe waterfalls. It was raining, and during that time, she tried to shoot her travel content. She slipped. Travel content, to shoot it is certainly risky. We have an idea of what risks people really take. And thanks to these influencers, we must say that tourism has been boosted in several areas across India. So appreciating what she does. Also at the same time, we're worried about the kind of precedents this sets. People going up to places which are dangerous, trying to shoot their content. There's no security, no safety protocols. What more do we know on this case?
Well, Nabila, you're right. These areas, like the Raigad area of Maharashtra, receive the highest level of rainfall. So clearly, you can say that tourism boost is something which every state need, but also calculated risks and also assessment of the weather is something which people will have to take in account. In this case, what the police is saying, the Mangaon police is saying that she had fallen into a gorge which had a 300 feet depth, and we have all seen the videos. There are very tragic videos of how the rescuers had to rappel down these gorge, and then she was brought up. And even in these times, it could be said that maybe should have been said if the help reached at earlier stage. But given the terrain, given the weather, even the rescue teams take some amount of time to reach and rescue. And hence, when she was, it's being said by the authorities that she was alive. But by the time she was admitted to the hospital, the treatment was started on her. She passed away. So clearly, and this is another first case of somebody drowning or falling due to weather. Like on 30th of June, Lonavala, Bushi Dam, 5 of a family had drowned, and these were people who were just enjoying their time during monsoon. But clearly, the amount of rainfall which is being received these seasons and the way the weather is changing, it's clearly not under anybody's control, and hence any group of friends or any exploration or adventure which is being done has to be done in a calculated manner with keeping all precautionary measures with you, equipments with you, so that these kind of incidents and such loss of young lives can be avoided. Back to you.
Absolutely, Mustafa, you're right. What we know of Anvi is that she specifically enjoyed monsoon travel, And that's what she extensively covered as well. Monsoon trek was really one of her fortes. And here, for Instagrammers or influencers, content creators, there's really no safeguards. It's not like the government provides them with any safeguards. They're doing it at their own will. It's an entire job that she did. She quit her work at Deloitte. She was working, a chartered accountant, working with Deloitte, very bright girl, quit her job to pursue her passion and create content on travel. A fatal end, unfortunately. Thanks very much, Mustafa, for joining us.